Look where we are.
We're at Harry Potter.
Jesse's like not as excited as me, but I'm like pooping my pants. We took a little double-decker bus to get here with Harry Potter on the side.
A train and 2 buses to get here. It was only like 2 hours.
It's gonna be so hard for me to try not to buy stuff here, because you know it's all gonna be overpriced.
Yep.
Look,
It's pretty cool though.
Harry Potter.
Expecto Patronum! Expecto Patronum!
From this day forth, you put your faith in me.
Expecto Patronum!
We got hungry, so we got food. Jesse got a burger. I got a hot dog with pulled pork and some butterbeer in a cup I get to bring home. So we're outside now.
We just ate overpriced food that wasn't good, but we
You know what? The butterbeer was really good, so I guess I should have just bought that. But look,
needed something for dinner.
here's the night bus and Perfect Drive and the bridge from like the old movies, like way back in the beginning. We're on our way back now. We got, I'd say, a free book, but we each paid £10 extra in our ticket to get this. We We have like, oh god, I'm dropping the camera. We have 2 hours left.
We don't.
Or it took us 2 hours. But we're on the tube.
It was so far away.
No, but it was so worth it to go. But yeah, the tube's weird. I don't, like, it's weird to me that all the seats are like this.
The next station is Kilburn. Doors will open on the right-hand side.
Tired to go to bed.
But
Do it. We're gonna get the vanilla cloud. Wonderfully light, fluffy vanilla chiffon sponge baked with real vanilla, layered with piggy pink meringue buttercream, dressed for the season with cocoa speckles, and a mini egg chocolate nest.
Megan and Harry just had their baby, and we're here. We're in London.
that's kind of cool.
We're very far away from where they had their baby.
I was in California. I was in California when Will and Kate had their kid.
Take a picture on our camera, not on theirs.
As it is ready today, platform 1,
Well, we came to go see platform 9 3/4 and it's like 10 pounds for a photo, even though I have my own camera, so that's where Harry goes, through the wall. So where they filmed here was between platforms 4 and 5 right there, and there's the clock. So platform 9 3/4
Is a miss.
is actually 4 1/2.
Either 4 1/2 or 8 1/4.
So this is the station they used for the exterior shots of King's Cross, because this one's not as epic looking as this is. Got mac and cheese. Or dressies. There's Dan. Hey.
Didn't even vlog yesterday, did we?
Yeah, we did.
Oh, we did. We're leaving.
Leaving London. We just said bye to Dan. I should have taken it out. But I did. We got newspaper. Boy, he's happy.
Still haven't named him, so we're waiting on that. I guess tomorrow's the first like official picture, but we're gonna be back in Dublin, so.